As manufacturers of industrially produced valves, WAM felt the need from the start to develop actuators too. Today, the customer can choose from a complete range of manually or electro-pneumatically operated as well as gear motor actuators. These actuators are mainly used for WAM valves, although application to other makes and types of equipment such as diverter valves, dampers and valves for liquids is possible. The range of manually operated actuators includes CM-type manual lever actuators, CMP2 manual lever actuator with extension, CMV and CMG hand wheel actuators, electro-pneumatically operated actuators are divided into the CP range and the AP range. Gear motor actuators are available as CRG, AR and AE types. The main advantages of WAM actuators are sturdy and compact design, universal interchangeability, durability, perfectly compatible accessories, and matchless cost-effectiveness thanks to series production. The series production of tens of thousands of actuators guarantees high quality and a particularly favorable price-performance ratio. WAM's butterfly valves, slide valves and dome valves are the ideal complement to the actuators. Quality of the product and quick delivery are guaranteed thanks to quality management according to ISO 9002 and to a large amount of stock carried at the WAM factory in Italy and at its subsidiaries all over the world. During the following part of this video, please pay attention to the special safety notices. On receipt of the consignment, check that the codes on the cardboard packaging of the actuator and the position signaling device, if supplied, match with those in the invoice and in the acknowledgement of order. Handle all material with care. Remove all parts from their packaging. Note the assembly instructions contained in each package. Fix the mounting plate onto the actuator. Fit the electro valve to the mounting plate using the 2 screws supplied. Connect the compressed air pipes with the fittings on the actuator and on the electro valve. Fix the solenoid coil on the electro valve as shown. If you want to manually operate the actuator in case of a power failure, turn the adjustment screw on the electro valve by approximately 45 degrees. Remove the shaft protection cover from the actuator shaft. Push the O-ring over the actuator shaft. Place the switch box on top of the actuator shaft and fix it with the 3 supplied socket screws. Ensure the cable gland points downwards. Insert a 3 or a 5 core cable and connect the wires to the terminals according to the wiring diagram inside the switch box. Push the spacer over the actuator shaft as far as it will go. Now fit the 2 cams positioning the tightening screws as shown in order to keep space for the spanner. Slightly tighten and adjust the 2 cams separately. Test the function of the switch by turning the cams backwards and forwards a few times. Then, firmly but not excessively, tighten the cam screws evenly. Carefully adjust the cover gasket and fit the cover with a WAM trademark pointing towards the gland. Firmly tighten the cover screws. Fit the indicator cap so that it points to the position of the valve at that moment. Remove the actuator shaft protection. Fix the mounting plate using the 3 supplied socket screws. Fit the cam and tighten the grub screw.